Yeah, me and Ricky just went on a tour of the university. It's cool and all, but I don't know if we can afford that tuition.
Well, there's always student loans, Wallace, but then again, I'm not sure you'll be able to pay them back if you're going to keep your current major.
Mom, I told you there's a market for Greek mythology.
No, there isn't.
Shut up. Mom, trust me, I'll be fine. Hold on, let me call you back.
Okay, I love you, sweetie. Be safe.
Yeah, I know, I will. Hello?
What's that?
It's a package.
Do you think it's from the university?
No, I don't think so.
Just open it and see what's in it.
I'm not gonna open some random package, idiot.
Fine, I'll do it myself, baby. Dude, what was that?
I don't know, man.
What's inside that thing? Do you think it could be a bomb?
Calm down, man. It's probably nothing.
Well, that's not our problem anymore.
Okay, I'm coming. What the? Ricky, come check this out.
What? How?
We need to get rid of this box. There's no way out of this. We have to open the box.
You can't be serious, Wallace.
What other option do we have?
Have you tried burning it?
I already tried that.
All right.
Here goes nothing.
What is this?
It's a gift
What do you mean?
from Zeus himself. It's Pandora's box.